Your website is great, but your forms are only standard? Your sales team finds it difficult to sell on meaningless requests? Couldn't your forms just look like this? With GREYD.Forms, you can now create clever forms super easily, with interactive slider controls, mathematical formulas, and even conditions. Whether it's about a loan, solar power system, or life insurance, GREYD.Forms boosts your forms to the next level. Let your visitors calculate interest rates or how many solar panels fit on their roof live on your website. Your sales team gets the perfect lead with all the information they need. While in the backend the most complex calculations can take place, your visitors get an interactive user experience. And all that without coding. Try it out now with GREYD.Forms.